Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Okay, really quick, no, it's not the hot dog video, and I know you guys are waiting. I am going to be doing sauce this week. Definitely doing sauce. I have requests for it, and while I'm doing the sauce, because it'll start at night, and then I will can it probably in the afternoon when I get home. But I will also be doing the hot dogs. So please be patient with me. It's a kind of a new transition in my life, and we're going to be doing that really soon. Really soon. I have to go to the store tomorrow after I get home and get all the stuff that I need to make sauce and meatballs and some sausage and stuff. I didn't get that today, so we will be doing that tomorrow. As long as I'm not getting sick. Some of the people that I've been around at my work have been sick. So I'm hoping that I don't get sick, but I have a really bad immune system. So we shall see, you guys. Okay, so this is new to me, okay? I haven't worked outside the home in about 16 years. So this is pretty new. And yeah, I'm working. I'm doing a job. I haven't told you what it is yet, but I will. And it's really fun. I'm having a blast. It's so cool. Just so cool. So anyway, I wanted to show you how I'm doing my lunches. So I am getting together I'm trying to really eat well while I'm gone. So I've got some V8 juice. This is the last one. I have to go to Aldi tomorrow and get some more. But here in all of these is some spinach at the bottom. All the way at the bottom, there's lots of spinach. In fact, these are mostly spinach. And then lettuce and some portobello mushrooms, some blackberries, some marinated artichoke hearts, and some Concord grapes, which are really sweet. And these are the same thing, except that they have hummus. And these all have 4 different kinds of hummus. And then I broke my naan bread into quarters, and I have these that I'm just going to store on the top of this. I also have pomegranates, which if any of you have followed me for any length of time at all, you know I love pomegranates. I have 4 of them right now. Haven't had a chance to eat them, but I need to cut one up and put some in some of these dishes. These dishes come from Walmart. They're really cool. My husband found them. They are divided and they are non-divided. So we have both. So, and then I have some filberts. There's only one problem with the filberts. Since we moved, I can't find my antique nutcrackers. So I'm still looking for those. Right now we're using one of my husband's tools as a nutcracker right there. So yeah, it's been fun. So one of these days, I'm not sure which, probably not tomorrow, I am going to, this comes from Aldi too, chicken and wild rice, and I also have minestrone soup. No, I do not usually buy soups, but I am so low in food storage right now for soups and stews and stuff like that that I need to buy some. So obviously I need to make soup and can it. I can make chicken and wild rice soup. I can make minestrone soup. I can make pasta fazool, which is like an Italian bean soup with cabbage, which is really, really good. And as the weather cools down here, it's getting, okay, so I'm at the beach and the weather here is about maybe 60 something during the day, and it's been getting down to a couple weeks ago we had it down into the 30s. That's really not normal for us. So usually it's down in the mid 40s to upper 50s. It doesn't really get any colder than that. So that's why I'm allowed to have a garden, or I'm able to have a garden, not allowed. I'm able to have a garden year round. It's because we don't freeze here. Not where I am. Near the water, you just don't freeze. I mean, you just don't. So it's really rare. I mean, it has snowed here back in the 40s, We've even gotten some hail that looked like snow that was like 2 inches on the ground maybe 11, 12 years ago, which was really cool. But we haven't gotten any snow since I've been out here. So yeah, we don't freeze. And I'm going to be doing my garden pretty soon. I have asparagus out there. I've got tomatoes. I've got basil. And that's pretty much it. So I need to find time. This job kind of really took me by surprise and sprung up on me. And I applied back in February. And I'll tell you guys more about it in another video, probably when I'm doing the sauce, which hopefully will be tomorrow, and along with the hot dogs. I know you guys are waiting. My hot dogs are waiting in the refrigerator. I swear to God, you guys, I have hot dogs. They are past the best use by date, but that's fine. If you don't know what that is, the best by date is not an expiration date. So if you go beyond the best by date, your food is still good. Do not throw it away. Oh my gosh, so many people throw away stuff like milk. Even if I've had milk go bad before the best by date. But other stuff, eggs and stuff like that, you don't throw it away. It's still good, guys. If it doesn't smell bad, look bad, taste bad, it's still good. It's just the best by date. It's not an expiration date. Don't throw that food away. You know where that food goes after the expiration date or after the best by date? It goes to the homeless shelters and to the food pantries and places like that. So it is still good. It is still viable food. It's still good to eat. So please don't waste food and throw stuff like that away. Use your own judgment. If it's an expiration date, those two, like canned soups, stuff like that, those go beyond the expiration date. The only thing I'd be really cautious with is anything with tomatoes in it, like canned tomatoes, tomato paste, cut tomatoes, even tomato soup. That all has an expiration date. Yes, it can go beyond the expiration date, but you have to be careful. Use your own judgment. If the jar or if the can top or bottom is bulging, and I will show you guys because I have one that is, I think, applesauce out in my garage pantry that is bulging and needs to be thrown away. So I'll show you what that looks like. And it's probably maybe 3 years past the expiration date. It's not good anymore. I have to throw it away. But there's other cans out there, number 10 cans, so they're really big, that are perfectly fine. The expiration date is a suggestion. It's not a hold hard to the issue, throw me away because it says expiration. We don't do that. Especially the people that preserve food. We just don't go there. We understand the expiration date. We understand the best by date are different. And you just have to know what foods are good until which. And you can look those up online. Use by expiration date. What is the best use by best by date? Things like that you can look up online. So don't throw away your food. You can tell when food is going bad. Salad. Packages of salad. If you have packages of salad that are dated, say, December 8th, and we're on December 15th, and it obviously looks wilted and bad, you're not going to use it. Throw it away. If you have stuff that is dated the 15th and you're tomorrow, the 16th, and it looks good, there are people that throw it away anyway because of the expiration date. Use your own judgment. Don't waste food. That's all I'm saying. Use your own judgment. Those dates are there, especially the best by dates are there for use your own judgment dates. So anyway, back to my lunches. Sorry, I got off on a tangent. It really irritates me when people throw away good food. It really does. Just because the date says, throw me away because I'm not good anymore. Well, yeah, you still are. But you have to use your own judgment. You really do. So, okay, so back to this. My pomegranates I haven't cut yet, but this is what I'm doing. And these little containers, from Walmart are amazing. They are so cool. So I have a microwave where I'm going. So what I'm going to do, I only have one V8 juice. I've bought protein bars. I have bought protein shakes to take to work. I'm going to use my juicer and make my own smoothies to take to work. And, just eat as healthy as you can. Don't go fast food if you guys are not going to be in your house. This is not the way I eat. This is the way I eat at home. I'm not going to change my diet just because I'm not home all day long. I'm going to make it so that I can keep, eating what I do on a daily basis when I'm not here. So this is what I do. Usually my husband teases me because I eat seeds and nuts. I eat a lot of pumpkin seeds. I eat a lot of pomegranates when they're in season. Can't get enough. I love them. And then filberts, walnuts, almonds, stuff like that. Don't buy the trail mixes, you guys. Make it yourself. Do not buy them. Make it yourself. Choose what you want in them. You can have a piece of cheese. In fact, I have Gouda cheese, smoked Gouda that I just bought. I'm probably going to put a piece of that in each of these. These are airtight with these seals on them right here, these lids. So they're really cool. So I'm probably going to put a piece of cheese in there too. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Any questions, please text me. Please leave a comment or email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. And I will answer everybody's questions or emails or comments or anything. I'm always here for you guys. I'm never too busy. So please ask me any questions that you need to ask. Okay? So this week we will be doing hot dogs. We will be doing hot dogs, I promise. We will be doing sauce. We will be doing Italian sausage. We will be doing Italian meatballs again. We'll see how that comes out without making my phone fall. Let me see what else. It's almost so close to Christmas. I have to do baking. So there's probably going to be next weekend a lot of baking going on. Magic cookie bars. Let's see. Brown butter cookies, which are on demand and ordered. I have orders for those. Lemon and orange curd, and I really do have a bunch of lemons over here. I don't have a lemon tree anymore, so these are my lemons. And my son is going to juice all these for me so that I have juice to make lemon curd. So I'm going to be making that. I have my jars ready so that I have all my Christmas gifts ready, because this is what I do. I give what I make all year round. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, please leave a comment. Let me know that you're here. Subscribe to me for more videos. More videos are coming. I will get the hang of this life-work balance. I know it sounds really stupid, but this is really new to me. Like I said, I haven't done this in 16 years. I've worked at home. This is only temporary. I'm not working for very long. I'm working for a company that needs temporary workers that pays really well. And I'm having a blast doing what I do. I love my job, and you can't ask for more than that. If you love what you're doing, continue doing it, and feel very blessed, because I do. I know I do. It's a lot of fun, and I'm like, wow, they give me a paycheck at the end of this. This is pretty cool. I haven't felt like this I haven't felt like this since I was doing singing at weddings and performing at shows and just singing. I mean, this is cool. I'm not doing that, but I haven't felt like that since then. So I enjoy what I'm doing, and that's what matters, guys. You need to be enjoying what you're doing. Enjoy your job, enjoy the life. Work to live. Do not live to work. If you're not happy in your job, find something else that is going to bless your spirit and uplift you and encourage you, because that's what you need to be doing. if your job is not doing those things, you need to find another job, in my opinion. You need to be uplifted and excited about what you do every day. Um, just like I have been the last 16 years, staying home, being a mom and a nana and a caregiver for my late mom. And yeah, it's the first thing I've done for me in a long time. So I'm really excited. So I am gonna go. My dinner's ready. My husband made dinner tonight. So I will see you guys soon. Watch for my videos. They are coming, I promise. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that bell and watch for my videos, guys. Thanks. See you soon.